Welcome again at the ETOE paint booth. Today I want to talk about some more prep work I did on this Scott Addict frame. My job was to prepare the frame for the Shimano Di2, so there are no cable routings necessary on this frame. And I had to close the holes for the cable routing on the head tube, on the bottom bracket and also on the chainstays. In this video I want to talk about this carbon work I did on the frame and also about the tools I use for the carbon work. Let's check out some pics, and in the first picture you can see how I cut a hole in the head tube to remove the old cable routing, and to cut the hole I use a small pneumatic angle grinder like this and also a small pneumatic band grinder. This is very useful for the bottom bracket if you want to sand this area, also on the chainstays. What you also need is a new carbon layer. You can use pre-prep material or you can also use some woven carbon fiber. I use the 3K woven carbon fiber and also carbon fiber tube, a 6mm carbon fiber tube, and from this tube I cut some small carbon bits, and these bits are necessary to close the holes on the bottom bracket and also on the chainstays. Let's check out some more pictures. That is the second step, and you can see these small bits closing the holes on the bottom bracket and also on the chainstays. The first step, I forgot to mention, the first step is one layer of the woven carbon fiber inside the bottom bracket and also inside the head tube. There's especially on the head tube I had to use 3 layers of carbon fiber to get the original thickness of this frame in a 45-degree angle. First layer, second layer, third layer, and I use 3 steps to laminate this head tube, and in between these steps I bake the frame in the oven. I use 60 to 65 degrees to bake this resin. I use an epoxy resin like this. This contains the resin and the harder. I have to mix this, 4 parts of harder and 10 parts of the resin. I use the epoxy resin because it's stronger than any other, and it is also a good idea if you use an epoxy primer for the frame, so you get a durable and lightweight paint job. The last step is to remove the old color, the old paint job on this frame to get a very lightweight frame. That's also the reason why I removed these old holders, because they weigh more than the new layer of this carbon fiber, so I can save some grams on this frame. The next step is to remove the old paint job, and then I will apply a new lightweight ETOE paint job on this frame. Let's check out also some of the pictures during the lamination process, so you can see all 3 steps together. At first the hole, the second step with the first layer of the 3K and also with the bits, and the last layer with a finish layer of the 3K carbon fiber. Okay, if you have any questions, leave your comments in the comment section below. I will start sanding this frame and then I will start a new ETOE paint job. Thanks for watching, thank you and goodbye.